Are you tired of AI features being shoved in your face? Well, OmniFocus, the beloved task manager for power users, is taking a different approach. They're keeping AI offline, private, and customizable, ensuring you're in control. But here's where it gets intriguing. They're not bombarding users with AI promotions. Omni Group, the indie app developer behind OmniFocus, is a breath of fresh air in the AI-crazed app market. Their app, a favorite among reviewers and enthusiasts, offers unparalleled flexibility in task management. And their AI integration is no different. The team aims to provide users with the tools to set up AI their way, without intrusive pop-ups or flashy buttons. So how does it work? First, ensure you're on one of Apple's new 26 operating systems. These OSes support third-party apps using Foundation, Apple's powerful language model. Then, grab the latest OmniFocus version, the only Omni app currently AI-enabled, with more to follow. Head to the Omni Automations directory and explore the productivity tools. You can view the source code or install the plugin with a click. For instance, Help Me Plan breaks tasks into subtasks, while Clipboard Events turns clipboard content into tasks with due dates. These automations are a breeze to use, and you can even delve into the code to understand the magic behind them. Omni's approach is a power user's dream. Naomi Pierce from Omni describes it as the ignition, not even liftoff. It's about empowering users to integrate AI into their workflows seamlessly. And this is the part most people miss: the AI is there, but it's not in your face. It's a subtle yet powerful tool, waiting for you to unlock its potential. I find this approach refreshing, especially compared to chatbots or flashy AI interfaces. It's like the AI is working behind the scenes, ready to assist when needed. Imagine if all AI integrations were this user-friendly and unobtrusive. It's a vision worth discussing. Should AI be an invisible assistant, or do users want more interaction? Share your thoughts in the comments.